Good morning, students. Here I am telling you about the chapter which you have done right now, that industries, manufacturing industries, and we will do the exercise work of this chapter. That first, we will take, as always, choose the correct options, and the first one is in the USA, the dash region has a number of steel producing centers, and the answer is A for apple, Great Lakes. Second, dash is not a product of cottage industry, and the answer is A for apple, automobiles. Third, the raw materials for the paper industry are obtained from dash, and the correct answer is D, forests. Fourth, dash is a raw material required for steel production, and the correct answer is B, limestone. Number 5, Murshidabad in West Bengal is famous for dash, and the correct answer is A for apple, silk textiles. Now state true or false. The first one, sorry. First one, manufactured goods are more valuable than the original raw material, and the answer is true. Second, cement is an example of a large scale industry, and the answer is true. Then, sugar mills are owned by and managed by the central government. It is false because it is owned by private and government both. And Raipur, Jabalpur is a major industrial region in India. That is true. Then fifth, flax is a synthetic fiber. False. It is natural fiber. Now match the columns. Pottery, B will be matched with that is cottage. Leather goods, E is the correct match for it, small scale. Third, petrochemicals, D is the correct match for that is mineral based. Then fourth, cosmetics, A is correct match for it, that is consumer goods. And 5, dairy products, C is the correct match for it, that is cooperatives. Now let us see that fill in the blanks, and in fill in the blanks, first one is in the large scale industry, the various operations are headed by separate functional managers. The answer is functional managers. Second, dash are a product of small scale industry, and the answer is consumer goods. Consumer goods. Third, packaging materials are considered to be dash goods, intermediate goods. And fill in the blank, intermediate will come, intermediate, intermediate. Fourth, India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute goods. Fifth, the molten iron is run into molds and is called pig iron, P-I-G, pig iron. Now next, answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. What do you mean by manufacturing industries? And the answer is the manufacturing industries are the units where raw material is converted into finished products. Once again, manufacturing industries are the units where raw materials are converted into finished products on large scale. Finished products on large scale, not 1 or 2 units, and the large scale they are being produced. Second question, what are the various stages of production in an industry? And the answer is the various stages of production in an industry are: number 1, obtaining the raw material; number 2, processing it into the finished products; and number 3, distribution of the prepared finished product. Once again, that first you will take the question. From question, various stages of production in an industry are: number 1, obtaining the raw material; number 2, processing it into the finished product; and number 3, distributing the finished product. Question number 3, differentiate between agro-based and mineral-based industries. Now, agro-based industries, as it is clear by the name, that they are the raw material. In agro-based industries, the raw material is obtained from the agriculture, basically from the farm, just like cotton and jute or sugarcane. That is raw material, and it is produced in the farmlands. And mineral based industries are basically based on the material, raw material, which is obtained from the mines. So that is why they are called as the mineral based industries. For example, iron and steel, aluminium, cement, petrochemical, etc. are the mineral based industries. Next, give 2 examples each of pastoral based and forest based industries. The answer is pastoral based and forest based industries. Pastoral, first you will write pastoral based industry, heading dash, leather goods, woolen textiles. And for forest based, heading and example, the first one is paper and second one is furniture. Paper and furniture, and there you will write leather goods and woolen textiles. Next question, name some synthetic textiles which are much in demand. Which are much in demand. And the answer is, first you will write the heading, synthetic textiles dash rayon, 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 nylon, 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 acrylic, 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 and polyester, polyester, polyester. Then next question, name the 4 major industrial regions of India. In place of the word you will do in India. Name the 4 major industrial regions in India. Number 1, Chota Nagpur Industrial Belt. Chota Nagpur Industrial Belt. Number 2, Ahmedabad Vadodara Industrial Belt. Ahmedabad Vadodara Industrial Belt. Number 3, Bangalore Coimbatore Madurai Industrial Belt. Bangalore dash Coimbatore dash Madurai Industrial Belt. Number 4, Visakhapatnam dash Gunturu Industrial Belt. Visakhapatnam Gunturu Industrial Belt. Then, what are the 3 types of cotton textile mills? And name 4 major cotton textile producing countries. So first you have to write the types of 3 types of cotton textile. Number 1 spinning mills, number 2 weaving mills, and number 3 composite mills. Number 1 spinning mills, number 2 weaving mills, and number 3 composite mills. And the major countries are USA, China, India, Russia. USA, China, India, and Russia. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. We will meet with the next video.